Okay, today I'm gonna be installing these SPYDER headlights on my 2005 F250 Super Duty PowerStroke 6.0, and also these taillights. I believe the taillights are from the same company, but I'm not sure. But I'll link a description to the items and where I got them from in the comments below. But as you can see, they're really nice. They feature this really cool LED halo feature, and they're LED. So here's the old headlights. As you can see, extremely ugly. Four 6mm bolts that you need to come off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's going to be on both headlights, so it's technically 8. But then also, in order to get the headlight off, you're going to have to take off the grill. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 more of those to take off the grill, and then you can unfasten the bottom piece of the grill, get the grill to come off, and then you can pull the old headlights off. Once you get your stock headlight out and you unplug everything, you're going to plug everything back into your new headlight. Only difference is your running light over here on the side. You're going to take the bulb out of it, this one right here, and you're going to replace it with the supplied wiring they have in this headlight, because this headlight is directly plug and play. You don't have to splice into your wires at all to get the halos to work. That's the reason why I got these. So you just take your little running light out, and then you place that in there, and as soon as you turn on your parking lights, the headlight should come on. And then your regular bulbs, you just plug back your parking light, you just plug it right back in right here. What I'm probably going to do is upgrade that to an LED light just so it looks a little better. But the other two bulbs, your high beams and your regular beams, are replaced completely by this kit. Before you plug your lights back in, you might want to give them a test, make sure everything's running right. You'll see LED halos on, parking lights on. Looks good. So now I'm just going to do the other side, and everything should be good to go. They're all done. I have the parking lights on so you can see the LED halos on them. Like I said, these are directly plug and play. I paid about $250 for them on eBay. There's two versions of these lights. There's the SPYDER lights, and there's another version. I don't know who makes them, but the actual halo, it actually goes all the way to the grill on both sides, as you see where mine cuts off. So, but I really like these because these are plug and play, and the other ones aren't. The other ones you have to wire into your running lights, which is not hard. You just splice red and black wire, splice into them, and seal it up, and you'll be good to go. But like I said, these are the SPYDER headlights on eBay for about $255. They look really good, look way better than my stock headlights, which were really fogged out. I can't wait to get my grill in to finish the whole package, but I'm gonna head over to the taillights now. So I'm gonna be installing these matching SPYDER taillights for my 2005 F250 Super Duty 6.0 PowerStroke turbo diesel. It's pretty simple. These are LED taillights, which feature cool little halo ring, just like the headlights do. Like I said, these are plug and play. The only thing you might want to do is buy an LED bulb to go in here to match the rest of the theme that's going on with the headlight. But it's pretty simple install. You're basically going to take this bolt out, and then you're going to unplug your tail lights, and once you get your tail light off, you're going to have your standard lights and your reverse light. Your reverse light you're going to keep. The only problem is, what I would suggest is buying an LED reverse light to match the theme of the tail lights. But what you're going to do is there's going to be a little piece in your tail light, your SPYDER tail light, so it's going to plug into here. That would operate your regular taillight functions. And make sure you test your lights before you plug them back in. And the last thing you want to do is plug your lights in and then realize you didn't do something right, and then you have to take them completely apart. But as you can see, I have it all plugged up. Blinkers are working, and the actual light function is working. Looks really good. I didn't mention before, these two bolts that you're gonna take out are 8mm bolts. So all you need is an 8mm socket, and these come out pretty easily. And then there's also two little snap-in areas on your tail light. But this is what the tail lights look like, all wired up and matching SPYDER tail lights to match the headlights. All in. They make the truck look totally different from the back. Look really good. I love them. Definitely gonna end up getting some LED reverse lights. I wish I would have thought of that before I did all this installation. So LED reverse lights for tail lights and LED parking lights for the headlights. But like I said, I'll link where I got these headlights and tail lights from. Got them on eBay. Like I said, tail lights I think I paid about 150 or 170. Headlights were 250 bucks. Easy, simple install, no wiring, just plug and play. Looks really good. Walk around to the front so you guys can see what the front looks like. There are the headlights. Looks really good.